I have a happy family. There are 6 people in my family: my parents, 3 sisters, and me. My father is a farmer. He is very quiet and friendly. However, he had when I had mistakes. I remember when I was a child, I was carried on his back. He told me fairy tale and he said that you are my little prince. He likes country music and his voice very warm. We usually sing together. My taste is to be his taste. He's a great father. My mother is a tailor. She cooks delicious, special, sweet and sour salad, fish cooked with sauce, and crab soup. She has long black hair and light skin. She loves me so much. When I'm sick, she takes care of me all night. She teaches me to do homework, but she scolds me when I get up or watching TV late. My sisters are beautiful. They guide me cook and little work. When we went for a picnic with their boyfriends, they bought many clothes and food for me. Sometimes we argue about something, but we are a family forever. Me, Melen Sang. I'm 22 years old. I like watching TV, listen to music, eating cream, and sleeping. I'm the youngest in my family, so I'm under everybody's care. I feel lucky when I have a happy family. Although everyone is busy at work, but we spend time together. I miss and love the time we are together. I love my family.